Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today I'm very excited because I am participating of another open challenge, Hello Harvest. And I will be talking to you about that a little bit later, but now let's get crafting. I'm going to take these painter sticks and I'm going to cut them right here. And now I'm coming in with this shoe polish and I'll be painting all of these painter sticks. I'm just going to use 9 of these pieces and the rest I'll save for a future project. And I'll be doing the same process to these Dollar Tree pumpkins. And with some white chalk paint, I'm just gonna start drawing lines on top of this pumpkin. And I'll be painting the stem in white. Then later on, I'm coming back with some green acrylic paint, and I'm also gonna start putting some lines on the pumpkin, the same way that I put the white lines. And now I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything together using some acrylic brown paint. And now I'm just gonna head and retouch the stem, and this is the way it looks. Look how nice all those colors came together. I'll be doing the same thing to the second pumpkin. And now these painter sticks, I'm gonna go ahead and put some hot glue on the tip, and then I'll be gluing the pumpkin right on top. And I'll be doing that to both of the pumpkins. Just sit back, relax, and see what I'm doing. And now with these wooden blocks, I'm gonna hot glue them right here just to reinforce it. And now I'm gonna be doing the same thing to this corner. And this will be a pumpkin flower basket. So now I'm gonna do the same thing. I'll put 3 on each side, and I used 9 painter sticks. And then I have a dowel rod that I'm gonna be putting right on top of both of these pumpkins, right up here. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and decorate it with whatever flowers I desire. But before then, I'm gonna go ahead and make a beautiful bow with this ribbon from Dollar Tree. So like that, we could put it on one of the pumpkins. Now I'm gonna display it with the bow and without the bow, and you let me know in the comment section which way you prefer it. And as you can see, I'm using 2 types of ribbon, and then I'm using this tube mesh, and I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it together and make a bow out of this one. And this is it, guys. I hope you enjoy this beautiful DIY. today I'm participating of an open challenge. Hello Harvest. Hosts are Tammy from the Rustic Willow, Ellie, DIY from House to Home, and the guest host is Sun from Sun's Arts. I'll be leaving the playlist down below in my description box, and I'm hoping that you do visit them and give them a lot of love. I've had these pumpkins. I glued 2 of these pumpkins together like you can see, and I did a DIY with all these acrylic diamonds, and today I'm going to go ahead and repurpose it. So I'm going to take all these diamonds out, and once it's done, I'm going to leave both of the pumpkins stuck together like they were, and I'm coming in with some chunky yarn. And I will be putting the yarn on top, and then I'm turning the pumpkin around, and I'll be doing the same thing to the inside. And now the yarn is put all together, and now with some hot glue I'm gonna take this ribbon. It's made out of burlap, and I'm gonna wrap it twice, and with some hot glue I'm gonna go ahead and tuck that together, and look how this is all coming together. This is so beautiful. So now I'm gonna take several pieces of ribbon, and I'm gonna do a messy bow, and of course I'm gonna go ahead and with the same jute twine that I'm tying this bow, I'm gonna go ahead and tie it right on the top of the pumpkin by the stem. And now it's time to add these beautiful leaves under this beautiful messy bow. Look how gorgeous. I am so in love with these beautiful leather leaves. I went today to the dollar store, and I was able to find me some more for next year, and I was really happy. Look at how gorgeous. And putting some more leaves, and this is it, guys. I need for you to tell me what you think about this beautiful chunky pumpkin that's going to go on my wall. I'm also adding some of these berries, and I'm gonna put them right here in the middle. I'm gonna go ahead and tuck that in, and this is it. Let me know what you think about this beautiful DIY. So I just bought these 2 candle holders at the dollar store. I've never seen these before in my Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it 2 coats of this white chalk paint, and this is going to be a very quick and easy DIY. I like purchasing different candle holders when I see them because you can do so many different things with them. And now you're gonna have to let me know what you think about this simple makeover. And here comes another simple DIY. I'm going to take this candle and melt it for 5 minutes in the microwave. And then I got this beautiful dish that I bought at Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to go ahead and pour the wax in there. And then I waited till the next day until that wax would get hard. Then I came in and I cut that wick. And this is it. We are ready to display it. And this is so nice and simple and easy. So I purchased this at the dollar store. This gave me a really hard time to take out, so I went and I wet it, and it came out really easy. I saw one of the DIYers doing this. I can't remember who did it, but that was a great idea. So I'm coming in with this mixture of paints that I put together in a different video, and I had a lot of it left. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it to use. I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna give it one coat. And as you can see, I was having a hard time keeping Diva away. She was cold and she knew that I was going to turn on my heat gun. So she was waiting for it. Watch what she does. Look at that. She was waiting for me to turn on the heat gun. She loves the heat. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take this Harvest Wish wooden sign from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna give it one coat with white chalk paint. And I'm only gonna paint the words, not the leaf. And again, just want to remind you to go by the description box, look for that playlist, and look for these wonderful creators, Tammy, Ellie, Sun. Make sure that you give them a lot of love along with all the other participants. And now with that green paint, that's a mixture, like I said before, I'm going to go ahead and give it one coat to the entire leaf. And later on, I'm going to go ahead and distress it with the same white chalk paint. And this is how it's coming so far with the leaf distressed. So my friend went and took a branch and made these wood rounds for me. And then I went to the dollar store and I bought these little pieces of stick, or wood I should say. Of course they came out of a stick, and I'm gonna hot glue them right on top. Then with some jute twine, I'm making two different bowls and I'm putting them right in front of this beautiful pumpkin that we are creating. And then those little orange flowers that I took from those trucks that you see there, I'm putting them right on top by the stem. And I'm gonna do the same thing to both of them. And then we are ready to assemble all these pieces together. I want to thank you if you are stopping by for the first time and you're coming over from one of the other channels. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoy these DIYs, and if you do, I hope you do consider subscribing. And if you are a return subscriber, welcome and thank you again for stopping by. And as you can see, I'm gluing everything together. I'm putting some hot glue right here in the corner, and this is where this Harvest Wish is going to go to. And then once I reinforce it with some more hot glue in the back side, I'm gonna go ahead and put both of these pumpkins on either side. And this is the way it's coming together. And boy, did my little girl, she was like all over this video. Look at her. Guys, let me know what you think about this beautiful DIY, and I hope you enjoy it. I bought this picture at Michael's. It was from a $5 grab bag. I'm going to be using the same color paint, and I'm going to give it 2 coats only to the top. And then with this leaf, I'm going to give it 1 coat with this white chalk paint. I have a second smaller leaf that I'm going to be recycling, and I'm also going to be using the same green mixture. And this Giving Thanks, I'm going to give it 1 coat with white chalk paint. So I'm distressing the leaf with the same mixture, and of course I lost the footage, so I will show you the final reveal, but no big deal. You'll see it's easy and it came out absolutely gorgeous, but I did lose the footage. And please let me know which is your favorite so far. So I'm gonna be making over this little plaque here. I'm gonna be taking out this harvest blessings and I'm gonna put it away because I am gonna be using it later on. And continuing to use the same color, I'll give it 2 coats. Once I give it 2 coats, I'm gonna go ahead and put it to the side so it could dry. And then I'm coming back with this little wooden truck from Dollar Tree, of course. And I'm gonna be painting the wheels and on the top of the truck. And for the rest of the car, I'm gonna go ahead and use this khaki color. And to speed the process, I'm gonna be using some heat. And now we are going to go ahead and use some heat for this plaque as well. And I'm gonna be highly distressing it with the same khaki color. And this is it. Let's go ahead and start assembling all of these pieces together. Now with this glue stick, I'm gonna go ahead and glue that harvest blessings back together, and I'm gonna put it right here. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the truck with some hot glue. And guys, we are getting to the end of the video. I wanna thank you so much. If you are still here, you are my hero. I hope you do consider subscribing me if you have not done so. I'm gonna be releasing some new videos and you are going to love it, and I would hate for you to miss it. So make sure to hit that red button that says subscribe, and remember, it is completely free. And then again, let's come back to this beautiful plaque. Now I'm gonna go ahead and glue this truck over here in this lower part of the plaque, and then I'm coming in with some little pumpkins, and I'm also gonna put them in the back of this pickup truck. And this is it, guys. I hope you enjoy this beautiful DIY. Don't forget to go into the comment section and let me know which of these DIYs was your favorite. And if you are a first time stopping by, make sure you go into the comment section and introduce yourself. I would love to know you better. And I hope you enjoy all of these DIYs.